office u district sports officer ribo district nongpo ha ka jingyas nok tilang bat ka office u video ka Umsning C&RD Block menta ka sngi ka arpo pratrik risau ka pynkut no ya ka lympung ki Samla ha ka jingya kop ban pen iya ki sap ki phong kabla tip kum ka block level chief minister Youth Engagement Program R1000% kabanengkong halor kapang Empowered Youth Empowered Meghalaya kabla penlong asngilenter ha Iduel Mission Hall kabadang hab ha Umsning C&RD Block katay ka lympung ki Samla kabala penlong ha Umsning C&RD Block asdang nen kasngi ka arpenyotrik risau ha kabalawan ben pli perdat da u video ka Umsning C&RD Block uba Andrew Marthong ha ka jingadon lang uba Bobby El Nongbet u District Sports Officer ka kong Ridalendem PTI District Sports Office nongpo lembat kiwe de ha ka ne ka program ka ba arsngi kanthi lasaki ya ka jinga kop ba pher ka ba kantu pi ka jinga kop draw jingdro ka jinga kop tem ka jinga kop ruai bat ka shat tanrai ka quiz competition lembat kiwe de ha ka balawan bani simenta lagi kun Samla shinrang berkentei Jong ka Umsning Block na ka liang ka office DSO ka jet nrup prangut ki Samla ki bakan sai tam ki bani simenta patsya ka district level ka bani kop pen isam bat ki we block na ribo district ha ka ne ka sngi pynkut lawan mat men haperdano daw Dr. Celestine Lengdo u MLA ka Umsning constituency ha ka jinga sakilang u video ka Umsning C&RD Block uba Andrew Marthong uba Bobby El Nongbet District Sports Officer nongpo lembar ki nongtre na ka office DSO bat na ka office video Umsning Block ki khna school bat ki no hikai ha ka bakut jong kan ka lympung na kalyang ka office DSO kelas sam ya ki khusnam sya ki nong job bat ya ki sernot sya baro ki bawan ya simenta ha kan ka lympung ka ma arsngi
I will crash land. Is it not? Yes or no? If my parachute does not open, I will be crash landing. The parachute that is there strapped at my back has meaning only when it opens up. If it does not open up, it has no meaning at all to be on my back. All the youths who have come to this program, the Youth Engagement Program, if your minds are not open, if you have not made your minds open right from yesterday, I think by the end of this program, you'll go back home sad, wasted your 2 days here, and you have crash landed. Our minds has to be open. Good afternoon, everyone. week ago. I was told the highest number of participants in all the blocks that have conducted the programs, so far highest number of participants is here in Umsning block. My salute to Bobby and his team from the district sports, all the students from different schools, and the teachers who have accompanied. I am absolutely sure that you are a better person today than you were yesterday. You are less shy today than you were yesterday. Yes or not? You are not sure. After spending 2 days here for the youth engagement program, no change? I believe there is a change. I don't think that you can spend 2 days without bringing any change in your attitude and outlook. And for this, I would like to thank our Chief Minister for having the vision to have programs of youth engagements like this. I used to discuss with many of my friends, when we talk about nation building, people think of Parliament and the Lok Sabha. Nation building, rules, regulations, how to run the country, assembly in the state. Nation building is not done only in Parliament and in assembly. What you do here on the stage for the last 2 days, the debates that you have, the quiz that you have, the leadership qualities that have been inculcated in each one of you, that is also nation building. Nation building is not a factory somewhere. Nation building is the activity that we do every day in our schools, in our colleges, in our interaction with friends and colleagues. Even people who sit in the market selling their wares in Umsning, when they are polite to their customers, they get more sales. When they speak nicely to people who come and buy things from the shops, the number of customers will increase. When it increases, they get more money. And when they have more money, they can send their children to schools, in good schools. When they have good money, they can make good houses. And if each and every family in our villages have good houses, have good schooling, that is nation building.